Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I do both beauty vlogs and gele and hair. So today's video is was highly requested on my Instagram story because I tied this gele some days back and I asked if y'all wanted to see a tutorial, and about 87% said yes, and so that's why I'm doing this video today. I'm using the regular ashoke, and I think I divided this about 70-20 or so, because this gele is not as long as some would. So I already created like 4 pleats and laid them on my head, and I'm taking the shoulder hand and I'm going to lay it above the longer hand on the head. I'm going to have her hold the longer hand on the other side while I start creating pleats for the shorter hand. I hope you understand what I'm doing. This video is pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm just going to be talking you guys through some part of it. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you have any questions for me about this gele. Plus I have tons of gele tutorials on this channel. You can check my playlist. I think I have about 6 videos right there that you can learn from beginner to the you want to be professional, something like that. So now that I have about 4 pleats, I'm going to take the longer hand above it and have her hold it down while I pin the shoulder hand at the back. So I'll have more room to start arranging my pleats in front, and it doesn't move at all. Okay, I already pinned it down, so now I'll start creating pleats from the left hand side over to the right. Now this part is the most tricky part. I mean, like, this is where you start losing pleats, honestly, because by the time you're already trying to form pleats, the gele itself is already forming pleats. So it's very important that you take your time with this step to actually create your own pleats and make sure you don't lose any pleats, because even me, I still struggle. You would notice that I lose some pleats safe, but what to do. But the idea is, if you don't lose pleats at all, it makes all the difference. It comes out looking really beautiful and almost as smooth as perfect. So try your best not to lose pleats. Just follow each pleat through to the other side where you're holding it down. Don't lose any pleats, and don't allow the gele form pleats for you, because at the end of the day it will just ruin everything. So try as much as you can to form your own pleats and make sure you follow them through to the end. That's where your gele starts looking beautiful, as you can see. So I'm just going to keep doing this process until I'm satisfied with it before I go up to start forming some more pleats. So after all that, I'm going to have her hold it down while I go to the top part and start forming pleats. Some people would, just make sure they go through everything and there's no gele left, but I like to just pause and start from the top and start forming pleats downwards to meet like the last plait that I formed. It's just easier for me. If you have your own style of tying, of making pleats, please stick with it, but this is mine and it has been working for me, so yeah. And at this point, I'd like to encourage you guys. Please don't get discouraged, because you would likely get discouraged, like, I'm tired. What's all this? Like, I'm not getting it. This type of gele require a lot of patience, and you have to just keep doing it until you get your desired results. Don't just give up and leave it like that, you guys. all those geles you see on Instagram that are so perfect, if they tell you the amount of time that goes into tying it, you get like they have to give it time, and something you've practiced over and over and you've perfected it, it becomes easy. So don't get tired, just keep forming pleats and you see the results at the end of the day. So I'm just extending the pleat all the way to the back. Now you notice that this gele is not as long. I said that before initially, and it's not going all the way to the back. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to do it. I'm just showing you how the gele should look, but I've not tied it yet, and it's now just remaining very a tiny little part of that gele. I'm going to extend it and tie it with the first shoulder hand I showed you guys in the beginning. It wasn't even enough to tie the knot twice, so I had to use a pin to hold it together. Now I've come back to the front. I'm going to continue to form pleats until this gele is as close to perfect. Yes, I'm still forming pleats. Don't worry about that end that is hanging out. Don't worry about the ends. Just keep forming your pleats until you like what you see. Now I'm going to focus on the ends because I'm satisfied with the other side. So I'm going to move over to her back and then show you guys how I'd pin this down because it's not long enough for me to tie. So I'm just arranging the pleat all the way till the end, and then I'm going to hold some part of it. Just watch me closely. I'm going to pin it down first. Then I'm going to get another pin and I'm arranging. And now I'm going to pin this last part down. Look at that. It looks like I tied it and I didn't. And that's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much. I'm just going ahead to arrange the pleats some more. Like after you finish tying, you have to keep molding your gele into the desired shape you want. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below if you'd like to see more gele tutorials from me. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.